I first found Tuscany while doing research for a novel, but I guess you could say Tuscany found me. I was still grieving over personal losses, struggling to meet a deadline for my next book, and staring in the face of my 50th birthday. In every way, I came to Tuscany with baggage. If it sounds a little crazy to go halfway around the world to buy an old horse stable and need more than just a little loving care, the only way I can explain it is to say I was hungry. Hungry for rest, hungry for healing, hungry for contentment, and yes, hungry for delicious Italian food. I found all that and more in the heart of Tuscany. I didn't realize it at the time, but what really needed restoring wasn't this former horse stable in a tiny medieval village. It was me. Even though this is my journey, it's really a story about all of us. It's about following our dreams, overcoming our pain, and embracing life with open hands and open hearts. As we experience the enchantment of Tuscany together, I have a question for you. What are you hungry for?